So today we'll be going through how to get your Pi verified. That is what we term as KYC. Without KYC, your mining cannot be converted to money, or the monetary value of your Pi is useless. So it's very important. And when you check the menu, the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, you see a sidebar appears. You can check and see if you are already verified by clicking on the last menu item, that is the profile. In the profile, you see that under the account verification, your phone number is verified, Facebook verification is verified, email address is verified, your KYC is verified. So, in order to get your verification step done, there is a checklist which is found in the Pi browser or the mainnet. So if you go to mainnet, on the sidebar, you see mainnet checklist. So it's a checklist required for you to go through to make sure you are verified or authenticated on the Pi network. 9 steps, you go through each one of them. So I'll be taking you through all the steps to the KYC, which is the most important part, and when it's done, the rest you can be able to go. In the mainnet, we go to mainnet checklist. So here we have to download the Pi app. So let's sign in to our Pi browser. So we have to install the Pi browser. It's not installed. So this is the first step. We install the Pi browser. So now we open the Pi browser. Turn on notifications. Let's check to see if our first step is done. We go to our Pi. Let's go back and see if good. So now we have downloaded the Pi browser. The next step, the Pi wallet, is where you receive and store your Pi on the blockchain. Let's start this one. So we already have the Pi browser installed. We'll move straight away to the verification or creating Pi wallet. So here we click on generate new wallet, and make sure you take note of every password you use in the process. So this is the key note that we have to store. When anybody gets hold of your Pi, using any of these passphrases, the person would be able to access your Pi and withdraw everything in your account. This is for the sake of demo. So you copy the passphrase and you store it at a safer place, because once you bypass this, you will not be able to get this again. Let me save this at a place that would be very necessary for me. Said enter your 24-word passphrase. So the passphrase we saved, we have to enter it here in order to confirm that we are the owners of the wallet. So we paste it here. Now we unlock with the passphrase. Your wallet address. This is your identity in the Pi blockchain. So this is your public key. Copy it and keep it safe, so that in case you are required to use it anywhere, you will be able to provide the address. We click on continue. Now our wallet is created. Let's go back to the Pi app. Let's refresh it and let's see what happens. Let's go to back, mainlet checklist. Now our Pi wallet is created. Confirm your Pi wallet, confirm the ownership of your Pi wallet. So let's confirm it. So it said we should enter our passphrase. And we are done with this. Then we see that we have 3 so as you complete each one, it changes from its color to green. Commit to lockup configuration. You can choose not to do it, or you can do it. So let's go and let's lock. So we have, let's say we are locking for a duration of 6 months. So we commit to it, commit to lockup. Now we are done. Let's go back and see our list, our checklist. Now 4 is done. Now secure your account. Now we go, this is where there is a lot of headache sometimes. New action required to secure. Verify your account. So here we have to verify our account, verify with phone number, receive a verification code. Okay, so send a code to our phone verification service. So you don't advise people to choose USA because most of the traffic there is high on their service. So mostly you can choose any other country, let's say United Kingdom. Then we start. Make sure you have this service would be deducted from your registered SIM company. When I say registered SIM company, means your telecommunication service that you are using in your country. You'll be charged for the message that will be sent to you. Mostly if you are calculating it in dollars, that is 2 cents or 3 cents. So we have received a message. We send this message back to this number here, 9968. So we have to wait for the verification to be over. It takes a bit of time for it to be completed. So you have to be patient with it. When you try for a country and it does not work, maybe you chose the service in UK, go back, change to Belgium or any other country, because sometimes the load on that service may take a longer time for your verification to go through. So this is how or what happens when you are done with all your verification. So follow the steps and the procedures. The most important is the verification of your KYC. When you are done, you can do the rest and you will be done with everything. Thanks for joining me on this channel. Kindly subscribe and be here for more.